And welcome to room 9077 on the Disney Destiny. And if by magic, if we knock on the door... Oh, okay.
Oh, you don't even need to do it.
So this is what sort of room, Danielle?
Inside cabin.
Oh, there's a magnet down there on the door.
You hit the mice.
You good?
Don't hit the mice.
Right, okay. So let's talk about the
ship
room.
is owned by a mouse. Get in.
Okay, I'm sorry. Welcome to our inside room. Yes, we have started unpacking. No, we were not on time. So, my dear, please show us around the room.
Here it is. So it is the smallest type of room that there is available on the ships. It is quite compact. For us, it's fine. So there is a pull-down bunk bed up here, and the stateroom host will take that up and down as needed. This turns into a single bed, and then I'll start with the bathroom. Should I start with the bathroom?
Let's do that.
I'm here. There it is. So unlike other room tours we've done, this is all one bathroom.
Can get split bathrooms.
Yes. This is all compact, everything in one.
Very intimate. There you go. Space all down here, towels, storage.
Did you think that was a drawer?
I did think it was a drawer.
It's never been a drawer.
Definitely not a drawer, is it? No, it's not. Drawers don't come off like that. There you go, people. Benefit of a room tour. Don't pull off the drawers that aren't drawers.
Wardrobe, hanging space, obviously life jackets at the top, safe, a little bit of space down there. There's a job done it. It's a wardrobe, really
Correct.
for 5 nights. More storage here. So you have your drinks cooler. It's not quite a fridge, although that is quite chilly. It's fine for things like medication, if you've got medication that needs to be kept cold. Hairdryer, info in case you need it. Hot pad, please use that if you're using any hairstyling tools. Stationery, you can take these, you can also take the pen. I have one at home. And then this is your continental breakfast ordering form. You can do these any day where you are going to be on the ship, so you can't do it on the last day.
As in the day you disembark?
Yeah. This is our Cloudham. This is extra. Doesn't come with the room.
$25 a bottle, by the way.
Yes. And then here is the bed. It's a bed, isn't it?
It is.
It is nice though.
In terms of electronics, if you're like us and you carry equipment with you everywhere, really important to note that there are plenty of charging ports on here. So on the left hand side of the bed as you're looking at it, there are 2 American charging ports with USB-Cs, 2 spaces there. And then on the right hand side of the bed as you're looking at it, there is a European plug socket with a USB-A and a USB-C port. As I come back here, there is also another set of American plug holes with 2 USB-Cs, and then finally there is another European socket down there for US. No, that is actually European, can confirm. So that is the room tour for room 9077.
Thanks for watching.
Plenty of storage under the bed, by the way, for suitcases. You've got to mention that.
Oh yeah, that is where our suitcases are. Completely under there. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching. Bye bye.